Tired of scrolling through a huge participant list in Webex just trying to find one person? Especially in those large meetings where it feels like the list goes on forever? Let me show you how to find anyone instantly with just one click. It saves so much time, and once you know this trick, you'll never go back to hunting and pecking through that list again. So here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps. We'll join the meeting, open the participants panel, use the search, find our person, and select them. It's really straightforward. Let's dive in. All right, first things first, you need to be inside a Webex meeting. So go ahead and join whatever call you're on. It doesn't matter if you're hosting the meeting or just attending, this works for everyone. I've tested this across dozens of meetings, and it works the same way every time. So get yourself connected and settled in. Now, once you're in the meeting, you need to open the participants panel. In my experience, this is the step people often overlook. They assume the list they see on the side is all there is, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Look for the participants icon. It usually looks like a silhouette of two people, and you'll find it in the main toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Just click that. A panel will slide out on the right side, showing you everyone in the meeting. And here's the really important part. Once that panel is open, take a look at the top of it. There's a small search icon up there. It looks like a little magnifying glass. Go ahead and click it. This is the secret weapon right here. It's actually really easy to miss because it blends in with the rest of the panel, but once you know it's there, it completely changes how you use the participant list. So now that you've clicked that search icon, a text box should appear. Just start typing the participant's name. You don't even need the full name. In my experience, even just the first few letters will pull them up almost instantly. And here's a nice little bonus. It also searches by email address. So if you have someone saved that way, it works just as well. This is especially handy in those recurring meetings where you know the person's name, but they might have a similar one to someone else in the room. As you type, the list will filter down in real time. You'll see the results narrowing immediately. It's really satisfying to watch. Once you see the person you're looking for, just click on their name. That's it. The panel will highlight them, and you're done. You can now pin their video, send them a private chat, or just confirm they're on the call. No more manual scrolling through dozens or even hundreds of names. And that's the whole process, from frantic scrolling to instant search in just a few seconds. It's one of those small features that makes a huge difference in how you navigate meetings. Next time you're in a large Webex call and need to find someone quickly, just remember, open the participants panel, click that little magnifying glass, and start typing. You'll thank yourself later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.